I shop local every chance I get. But you know what? I need multiple things from there. All right, I'm setting a stopwatch. I want to make sure that we get in here and get out fast. Do we need one of those hats? I think they're too small. I think I can probably get some old school, basic, budget, shrinkflation fishing gear. This one's new. And this is $10.97 right there. Here's the tried and true 202. 33 is the original. And look at this, it says new. This Zebco 33 is old as dirt. I've really always liked the 202 though, but I'm kind of liking this one. The Zebco Splash can for Zebco Academy, and it floats. Floata. I like that. It does have a practice lure on it. I may use that. Is it already spun up? Dude, we're in business. Let's go. 12 minutes.